What's up, traders? Happy Monday. Welcome. So, ending of the day positive, small but positive and green. I classify today as a lower probability day, and we'll speak about that. But before we get into it, this review is sponsored by Edgeful. Go check them out. The link in my bio. So, let's get into it over here. Right. So, as you can see, the Dow, we're ending the Dow down almost 1%, NASDAQ as well, and the DAX. So it looks like we're getting some heavy selling pressure here across the board. I was just watching some news over here on CNBC. They actually mentioned something interesting. The only two Mag 7 stocks that are up this year are or up more than 20%. Something like that. It's mentioned something like that. There is NVIDIA and Meta. So interesting. I'm going to double check that. But you always got to double check your facts. But let's go over my trading day. As you can see, up small on the day across all my accounts, just under $300. Just a small trade over here. Something that I've been working on in the back end is my day grading, right? Which you can bring that up as well. So knowing which days I want to be trading big on, small on, or not at all on, right? So as we can see over here, like this. I've got some interesting things that I actually have brought up over here. Just knowing which days I want to be trading bigger or smaller on. I don't think that every single day is a day to actually be trading big. So let's just put this down here in my lessons of the day. Day grading right over here. So day grading. Okay. So as you see in my end of the day notes here, where did I write it here? Yeah, well, not every day is created equal, right? There's days that we've got to be big on, days that we've got to be small on, and then days that we've got to actually be not at all. And today I didn't really like this. So let me explain why. We obviously were trading below VWAPs, but above previous days VWAP, which is this blue one coming across the screen. The 21 EMA is on the chart as well. But we had a bullish open, actually. We had a bullish open. This is a 5-minute time frame. We had a bullish open. And I wasn't too keen to get on the longs. We obviously had making bearish price action all day, all pre-market. So I favored the shorts, but then once we took out the initial balance lows, which is what the report I used with Edgeful, I really did like the continued shorts. On the Dow, we very rarely come back and take the other side, actually across all of the indexes. The report with Edgeful is this one here. It is called the previous day's range, not the previous day's range report, the initial balance breakout report. So let's just bring it up here. So if we pull up futures, right, and let's pull up YM, the Dow. Okay, and we go to the last year, right, and we go to one of my favorite ones over here, and we go to the initial balance breakout report. And this is what has helped me so much in terms of actually putting the stats in my favor, knowing what I want to be looking for on the desk. And this is one of my favorite ones. But you see, only 23% of the time, once we take out one side, do we actually come and take the other side. So we had broken the lows, so only 23% will come up back and break these highs. So I knew that I wanted to be focused on the shorts then. We break out, and I end up getting a nice short position in over there. As you can see, over here was my shorting position. There, I got about 50 points. It was not a high probable day, in my opinion, as mentioned, but we got my 50 points, and we'll take that, on a lower probability day for me. Obviously, as you can see, the Dow closes nearly 400 points lower. So I really, really did, come into today quite well disciplined. I think I treated this quite, this lower probability day pretty well. This is a B or C day for me. The less I trade, the happier I am. I do not need to be I do not need every move in the markets, right? So low quality day for me as we go over my B and C days. My A days, previous daily high, low has been taken out. So if you're watching this, go, take a screenshot of it, whatever, go re-watch this. It is live. It will be up on my YouTube as well as Twitter. We have a gap down or up and holding one side of VWAP. So we hadn't taken our previous day's high low, and we only had one of these here. So I classified as a beer day. We had holding one side of VWAP, but the opening candle was in the opposite direction. We hadn't taken our previous daily highs. Something that I really, really do like is, previous daily high, low to be taken out, and then the opening candle in the direction of the trend I want to trade in, while trend is holding one side of VWAP. So essentially, if we're looking for longs, previous high to be taken out, holding the high side of VWAP, and the opening candle continuation to be bullish, the first hour to be bullish, obviously vice versa for shorts, right? So lower probability day for me. And I kept it tidy, thanks to TradeZilla for always being, accessible for these notes as well, for my journaling. I love using TradeZilla to journal. So really, really is solid tool. So green on the day, and you'll take that heading into the rest of the week. If you want to watch me trade live every single week as well, ASFX TV, link is in my bio. These daily reviews is going to be every day after the closing bell. That's it for today. $300 on the day across the accounts. One day at a time, right? Cheers, guys. We'll see you there.